Almost a century after the first ever documented car race, the first Formula One Grand Prix de Monaco took place in Monte Carlo. Since this year's Grand Prix is coming up tomorrow, we are taking a walk along the history of the Grand Prix from its roots to the present in order to present to you a curated selection of luxury items that accompany this special event. The history of car racing began exactly 150 years ago. Two competitors in steam-powered, motorized carriages competed against each other over a distance of 8 miles in 1867. A lot has changed since then, especially in terms of equipment and horsepower. The track of the Grand Prix de Monaco allegedly demands more concentration than any other Formula One track. There is hardly any chance to overtake, so qualifying is of the essence in Monaco. After the Portier corner comes Formula One's slowest corner, the Lowe's hairpin, which is followed by the tunnel. Graham Hill, who is also known as Mr. Monaco, and Schumacher both won this race 5 times. 1985 Renault race car available on James Edition. If you ever dreamt of feeling like a Formula One driver, look no further. This 1985 Renault race car comes with 6 cylinders and a truly authentic and unique design. Since it's currently located in Monaco, why not pick it up just in time for this year's Grand Prix? Browse a variety of race cars for sale here. The winner takes it all, but who decides about success and defeat? Heuer was the first company to be present at Formula One with manually wound mechanical chronographs measured each racer's time and were used by teams like Ferrari, Lotus and Maserati. Timekeeping evolved when Heuer developed their ACIT automatic car identification technology. This laid the groundwork for modern timekeeping technology, where features such as live timing are supported. Finally, after different brands had taken over the role of Formula One's official timekeeper, the luxury brand Rolex forged their official partnership with Formula One in 2013. One of the most iconic watches in the Rolex portfolio to date is the Daytona, whose name originates from a speedway built in Daytona, Florida at the end of the 1950s. The Cosmograph Daytona launched in 1963, Rolex Cosmograph Daytona from 1966, available on James Edition. This particular model, with a 37.0mm case diameter, dates back to 1966 and is made from stainless steel. The Daytona was designed to meet the demands of professional racing drivers and even allowed them to choose between measuring average speeds up to 400 km per hour or mph. Find more Rolex Cosmograph Daytona models for sale here. Whether you choose to invest in your very own race car or an iconic piece of timekeeping history, you will most likely want to mingle with like-minded people at the Grand Prix itself. Tickets range from $1,800 for basic admission to $9,700 for the Legend package. The nearest international airport is Nice. Luckily, Nice is only a 7-minute helicopter flight from the Monaco heliport. Make sure you arrive on time and in style with your very own helicopter. Browse a variety of models here.